S6 Edge has practically the same cameras as regular S6, but here we come with another video because S6 Edge really looks nice and we want you to see it in different scenes that we recorded. So it comes with front 5 megapixel and rear 60 megapixel camera and a strong LED flash. Camera application starts up in only 0.6 seconds, which is, the fastest on the smartphone that you will find. And the first snapping is instantaneous. You just click and that's it. And it didn't snap one photo, no, it took 3 photos because this is automatic HDR. So it took 3 photos in that instant moment. The interface, if you ask me, looks very, very easy to use. You get a bunch of options. You get auto HDR, panorama. You can record 4K video. You get dual shot. You can easily switch from front to back camera. You have everything a smartphone should have. With strong, powerful chipset and great optics, this is f1.9 aperture, and the front camera has 22 millimeters in 35 millimeter range and front camera has 1.9 aperture, f1.9 aperture, and 22 millimeters in 25 millimeters aspect radio. So this is really great results, great optics, and this is a smartphone. This is not a compact camera. From the rear 60 megapixel camera, in daylight you'll get really great photos, sharp with no noise on details, with realistic colors, and 100% crop. You'll see that everything looks clean. So this is like on better compact cameras. In low light conditions, check this out. When you put this smartphone in low light conditions, you'll see better than you see with your own eyes. The camera can see better than I can see in the dark because it has f1.9 aperture and it appeals light very good. The photos without flash are pretty good. The noise is not, there isn't too much noise, but with flash you can see a bit more noise. And photos in your night out with your friends from the city lights will be very, very, very usable, very good. For this video we recorded another photo. You can see that Ivan is here in dark, and behind him you can see a strong sunlight, but still you can see his face. So although it has a strong light source behind him, on all other smartphones or cheaper cameras you wouldn't see his face here, but here you see it. In this situation the only better camera would be Sony RX100 Mark 1, 2 or 3, or some other expensive like $400 or $500 camera or DSLR. Video recording can be available in 4K resolution or in lower HD 720p resolution with 120 frames per second, which means slow motion, the attractive video. And picture in the video is good stabilized. You can see colors look accurate. You get artifacts on the video, but this is still good for family video, for travel. And in low light, video has sometimes blurry details, but still it's very usable and very good. Regarding front camera, for selfies you get f1.9 aperture again, which promises good pictures in low light conditions, and in the interface it's easy to switch from the front to back camera. And the great thing is that camera has very wide angle, 22 millimeters, 35 millimeters aspect ratio. Photos in daylight are very, very good for selfies, for snapping with your friends. A lot of them will fit into the image and their faces will be clear, they'll be visible. And in low light conditions, sometimes faces can be like drawn, details are ruined. This is some noise reduction that doesn't work out well, but pictures are usable. But with these optics, those pictures in low light from the front camera should look a little bit better, and I hope that the software will correct this sooner or later with some upgrade. Video from the front camera can be recorded in 1080p resolution, and in daylight it looks really good. In low light condition, video is good. You can see the noise, but still it's very, very usable. In the end, cameras on Galaxy S6 Edge are among the best you'll find on a smartphone. Photos are very, very nice, very good, fine details. Video is stabilized very good. So this is a good camera for traveling, for family usage, for sports. If you have a pet, you know, and you want to start up the camera while he's running and jumping, you'll be able to do that and snap the image. You'll get auto HDR. I would like you to comment below. Tell us if you bought S6 Edge. Tell us how your photos look and are you satisfied, because we think this is the best that you'll find on smartphone. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.